Hi everyone, I am Mohammad Hamid, agentic AI and full stack developer. Welcome to this tutorial. Quick request before we start, if you are watching first time, so hit subscribe button, like this video, comment your question below, share with other your friend developers. Okay, today topic is very best for how to use Claude Code completely free. And in this video, we will cover mainly 9 router. What is 9 router? First question. Second is why should use 9 router? And third is how to use Claude Code free with cloud models. So in this video, we will cover this all thing. So kindly subscribe my channel, and without wasting time, we will go ahead. So first question are, what is 9 router? Basically 9 router is free tool. It's an routing AI routing proxy. Think of it like this: if one model will be fail, so it will automatically give to other model, like using combo future. We will see this also. And here we have a lots of models, a lots of providers like iflow ai iflow ai support are other a lots of models like one is if I say about queen code kimi and others. Queen code also have, and Kiro ai. This is too much better for me. It's free, and also I am using with this cloud code models like Sonnet 4.5, Sonnet 4.5 and Haiku 4.5, and anti-gravity models 4.6 thinking, also Opus 4.6 thinking. That is limited, but we will do combo using combo future. We can control this thing also. So now second question, without wasting a time, we will go ahead. Why use 9 router? Look this. And if I summarize also, let me give 5 reason you. One is it's completely free, you don't pay anything. 9 router itself free. And second reason, if I say about second reason, so unlimited usage, no quotas, no limits. With normal cloud code pro, if you subscribe cloud models, so on that time you hit limits, but with 9 router it's unlimited. And reason 3, real cloud model, we will see here. Reason 4, smart fallback. If one model will be fail, so automatically it start another model. So now our two question is complete. So without wasting time, we will go ahead and start implementation. First, you should install in your PC or laptop Node.js. If not, so you should install it. Look here. Here you can see for Windows also, here is supports Mac also, Linux also. This all support, and direct you can downloads. You can look it. And now we will, if you, how we can confirm we have Node.js. So first we will run this command. So if version will come, so it's mean you have Node.js. If not come, so you should install first. And now we will install this npm install -g mean globally in your PC everywhere. And now also we will install cloud code. And cloud code is finally installed. You can see here. Here was my before setting. That's why it's come. Now I will remove it also. I will 9 router. it's also installed. So first we will run 9 Router. 9 Router is running, and without wasting time, if I say about sometime, I before it was not there subscription and everything not clear in documentation, but I sent pull request about usage, which was confusing a lots of developers, and they were asking me. So I add one main problem of them. Here is just showing usage dollars but not come. And here I add questions also. You can see this question in dashboard. Usage is coming, billing is coming. So you are using iFlow free unlimited, you can see it. And also second question, in future payment will come or not. So here is answer no. The 9 Router itself is fully free and are free provider. All question I include here. And now our 9 Router is running. So first we will click enter web UI open browser. So our browser will be open, and first time when you will be open, so UI like this. And here is password 126 123 4 5 6. Login, and here you can see this UI. Providers, here we have a lots of provider. You can connect all providers, but in this video we will connect more powerful providers. And look this first. Here is I connected OpenAI, Codex CLI, and also you can connect all CLI tools you can connect. And now first we will do manual reset this. So when you open first time Cloud Code, so like this will be open. And now we will connect providers. First we will connect with iFlow AI. It give these models we have Coin, Kimi 2.5. This is too much latest and best for me. I use it very well. This is my feedback. You should also use. And we will connect these models. Here is loading English. Okay. So you can see my account. Here is login successfully. So you can see here is active. And also main model everybody should use it, Kiro AI. Here is you can do it. It support, it give us a lots of model. Mainly give two models, Cloud Sonnet 4.5 and Haiku 4.5, which we discussed in started. So first when you come, so easy setup to login. First login, then you will come this UI. Now you can look this. This model also connected, and anti-gravity for testing first time 4.6 model we will connect. And you can connect all providers. It's your choice. Now first we will use one by one, and then we will use all. Look this UI when you open first time. Now I am using it, gave us error, API error. Okay, so this error is come. Now we will see it. You have all models now, you can do using its CLI tools, not configure. Now we will select models. We have these models. Look, you can also connect anti-gravity. It- okay, it's also done. And now we can see it. Now it's doing some here. Okay, so it's also connected. Now we will test CLI tools. We will open. First we will do here main. By default its model is running. So we will select from here Kimi 2.5 and you can select all models 4.6 thinking and all models you can select, but I like it, so we will first use it. Now before was error, now we will see again. I like to use in bash. This is YOLO mode command of Cloud Code. Now you can see here is coming Kimi 2.5, you can see here thinking. Now you can say everything. Okay, so it's start working. Where you want, you should open in that root, so it will start working. So without wasting time, now we will see main thing combo. Why use combo? If one model will be failed, so automatically start another model. So we will keep name. First we will use 4.6 thinking, then use 6. Then I like this board too much. I like this board. Then Kimi 2.5 also. So I like these models. Now if one will be failed, so automatically second will be start. Now look here, our combos come and now we will again test. Now you can see here advanced models combo is coming. Now you okay, so our best model is working. First 4.6 is working now. So thank you for watching this video. Keep coding with AI and free. See you in the next video. Thank you.